Hello, this is Veena Patel and today we will learn how to make PPT. So keep watching this video. First of all, here it is a start menu. You have to click on it so that it can open. After the opening of start menu, there you will find the icon of Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Here it is. And if you don't get that icon there easily, you can type in search area where there is written type here to search. We have to type PowerPoint only. It will itself recognize what you want and best match box will open. Here it is, best match Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. There you will have to click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Single click is needed and there you will find a blank slide of your PPT. What you want to write, you can type anything there. On click to add title, you can entitle of your subject or name, etc. T.S. Eliot PPT by Veena Patel. Just like this. You can give subtitle to here. Then to add a new slide, you have to click on the icon of new slide and new slide will get addition. This way you can add your writing in new slide and add another new slide many more times. Just like this. You also can drag the area shown by border with dragging mouse this way. First you take pointer on border and click once. Some square will appear there and then you can drag it up to where you want to carry it. See. Just like this, and then you have to click here to start writing. Then one more slide, another slide you can add this way, and if we want designed slides we should click on the toolbar upside where you will read as design. Here it is. If you will click on design, you will find a number of designing slides just like this. You just choose any one you like. If I prefer this one, all the slides will be designed as such. At the end, you have to click on the save icon to save your whole PPT from here. It will ask you where do you want to save your file. We can save it on desktop or anywhere else. Here I save it on desktop so that I can easily find it afterwards. And I will write the identical word for me, PPT1, or I can write here TS Elliot. Anything I can write here and I will save from. It shows that there is another file like this, so I will change the name. Here I will write Veena, my name, and I will save it from here. Veena, I should change Veena1. Then I will save it from here, save. It is saved, and don't forget to save your file. At last, we have to close the PowerPoint presentation from close icon. Here it is. It is red cross and it is over. So thank you for watching. Be happy today and always remain so.